Today, we're going to clean these rusty barbecue skewers and grill grates and make them look almost like brand new. These are tools we often forget after previous barbecues, or we're simply too bored to clean them properly. But today, that changes. We'll start by using the Total Angle Grinder, the one we already reviewed in the Total 9-tool combo pack. You'll find the link to that video in the top right corner. On the grinder, we've installed a round wire brush with thick, heavy-duty steel wire. Now we start grinding at medium speed, slowly removing the rust from the skewer. As you can already see, the difference is obvious. The rust is coming off easily. We continue grinding the skewer all around, making sure every side is properly cleaned and all rust is removed. Once we've finished grinding and removed the rust completely, it's time to clean everything using natural materials. No chemicals at all. We take baking soda and add it into a bowl, then pour in natural vinegar. As you can see, the mixture starts to foam immediately. That reaction helps with deep cleaning. Using a sponge dipped into the mixture, we clean the grill grate thoroughly. We do the same with the skewer, regularly dipping the sponge back into the vinegar and baking soda solution to keep it active. Now it's time to clean the grill grates as well. After removing the heavy dirt, we gently scrub using the sponge with the baking soda and vinegar mixture. Then we go over it once more using the wire brush. Once all skewers and grates are clean, we rinse them very well with clean water. Now, since we won't use the skewers immediately, here's a simple tip to store them and prevent rust from coming back. We wrap them with transparent food wrap. This way, they stay clean, protected, and ready to use whenever we need them again. After finishing the job, and because we like to keep things tidy, we clean the tools we used with baby wipes. Look how much dirt came off the tool. This simple step keeps our tools clean and ready for the next use. Here you can see our grill grates, perfectly clean and ready for the barbecue. And now that the fire is on and we're waiting for the charcoal, it's time for a cold beer. Enjoy your barbecue and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips like this.